Hey everybody, I'm just making this video to let everybody know that I might start back doing makeup, but I won't be doing yours, just mine. But I'm gonna give everybody some tips if they're a brown baby like me, if you don't know what to get, or you just want a cute little look for everyday look. Now this is not my everyday look, but my everyday look will only consist of this Tier foundation and this concealer under my brows with this brow pencil. Is by Benefit. I got this from Sephora's medium brown or dark brown. This is my concealer by Tarte. And the primer I use is the e.l.f. primer before you put your makeup on, or you can use this Hydro Milk. I'm really a fan of this one besides this one, but I use them both. And if you like your lashes pulled out like mine, top and bottom, without having lashes on, you can get some of this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Or you can get some of the Bad Gal Bang. That's what I'm wearing today. So that's Sephora also. Now, if you wear blush, I got this blush from Walmart. It's CoverGirl True Blend. It's Bubblegum Pop for your little cheeks, whatever. And some concealer I use for the side sometimes or whatever down your nose. This is also by CoverGirl. This one is called Snatched. And my lip gloss, I always wear my Hard Candy, whether I got on makeup or not. I love this. This is from Walmart. I look tinted, but it's clear. But I got on this Hard Candy one, and I got some MAC lipstick on. It's matte. It's called Silly. And on top, I got my Lip Plump Dior. My daughter bought me some sacks for Christmas. Got my Dior on the lips. I don't have any setting spray on today, but I use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. But these are just things that you can use every day, or if you just want to look just like a little, like a little pop of cuteness, just use your lip gloss through your brows. Put your little tear on. This look like skin, baby. This is the bomb right here. But the NARS kind of heavy, but you want an everyday look, get you some of this, some of this. You can get some concealer from their beauty supply too. Actually, these everybody likes to use these, but I get like I put the lighter one under here and a little darker one on top, kind of sort of my skin. But those are my makeup tips. Go get you some. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all about my hair. If y'all like my bundles I got in, this hair is from A-Shine. I got it from TikTok. This is 26, 24, and 22. Now, let me tell you something. When I first got this hair, I hated it. It came so dry when I was sewing it in. It was just dry. But I worked it out. I went and got me some of this. Thank God it worked. And some water. Don't use that mousse. The mousse make it all tangly and nasty. But use that. It's still soft. It's pretty. I'm sorry I gave him a badass review on TikTok, but oh well. I will be buying some more. But get it at your own discretion. I like it now. Thanks for watching.